Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix the date and time on your MacBook. If your Mac is showing the wrong time, wrong date, or not syncing properly, these quick steps will help you correct it. First, open System Settings. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner and select System Settings. Then, in the sidebar, click General and choose Date and Time. Now, check the main setting called Set Time and Date Automatically. If this option is turned on but your time is still wrong, toggle it off and then turn it back on again to force your Mac to re-sync with Apple's time servers, and often fixes the issue instantly. If you want to set it manually, first unlock the settings using your Mac password or Touch ID. Once unlocked, you will be able to edit the date and time fields directly. Simply adjust them to the correct values and save the changes. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to Delft Stack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Next, also check the time zone setting. Make sure Set Time Zone Automatically using current location is enabled. If this is incorrect, your Mac will show the wrong time even if everything else is correct. If the issue still continues, restart your Mac once. This helps refresh system services that control time synchronization. And that's it. Your MacBook date and time should now be accurate and working properly.